Okay, but now that we got that out of the way, I just want to say it's going to be okay. The market is going to be okay. My name's John Powers with Powers & Rawls, and today I want to give you a market update for the month of June in Virginia Beach. Today we're seeing rates hovering around 5.1%. That is down about 0.25% from a month ago, so that's good news. The Fed continues to follow through on what they said they were going to be doing, which is increasing rates throughout the year to try to curb inflation. So we're probably going to be seeing that for the rest of the year. Some are saying that they could see things as high as 7%. We're just going to have to wait and see. This is something that is changing affordability for our buyers, and it's something to keep in mind if you're in the market or getting into the market. We've seen a little softening in competition, which is a plus for buyers and not as good for sellers. But that all depends on the location, the condition, and the price point of the property. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so surprise, surprise, Virginia Beach inventory is still low, historically speaking. But we are seeing the typical seasonal increase that the spring brings. Currently we have 747 homes that are on the market, which is 10% more than last month, but still down 20% compared to year-over-year numbers. There were 667 homes sold last month, which is down 0.7% from the month before and 22% from last year. As far as homes under contract, there are currently 717 homes under contract in Virginia Beach. Average sale price on those is $463,000, and that's up. That number is up 12.5% since last month. We're seeing an average of 30 days on the market for all homes that are on the market in Virginia Beach. So everyone wants a deal, and to get top dollar, whether you're selling or buying a home, you want to pay as little as you can and still get in the home you love. It really comes down to catering the strategy for the situation, depending on price point, who your buyer is if you're selling, or as a buyer, what's your target market. And then we have to strategize and target a plan for what your needs are. We're seeing, on the buyer side, more opportunities are arising because there's some less competitive situations in some homes. We're even seeing homes going for below list price, which is something that felt like that was unheard of for a while. But a lot of these really desirable homes are still creating competitive situations. So we have to keep that in mind, and you have to have a strategy in place for how you're going to get that home under contract. Okay, so where do we go from here? Markets go up and markets go down, but let's be real. People still need to move, and we can't always time things perfectly. Your family might need to leave the area, they might need to move into a larger home. Whatever it is that's driving this decision, at the end of the day, the market is always going to be out of your control. And what it comes down to is having a specific, tailored plan that's going to get you in the right home or get your home sold for the most money possible. So check out our website or contact us if you want to see how we execute for people that trust us in this process.